Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to make tiramisu like an Italian. First, ensure you have fresh, high-quality mascarpone cheese, about 500 grams, for that essential creamy base. Next, gather 6 large, pasteurized eggs, separating the yolks and whites carefully. Don't forget authentic Italian savoiardi ladyfingers, approximately 200 grams, and a strong, freshly brewed espresso, about 250 milliliters, for dipping. The heart of tiramisu is its luscious cream. Begin by whisking 6 egg yolks with 100 grams of granulated sugar until the mixture is light yellow and thick. Then, gently fold in 500 grams of mascarpone cheese until it's smooth and uniform. In a separate bowl, whip the 6 egg whites to stiff peaks. Finally, carefully fold these airy whites into your mascarpone mixture in 2 or 3 additions, preserving the lightness. Now for the assembly. First, ensure your 250 milliliters of espresso has cooled completely. Quickly dip each 200-gram savoiardi ladyfinger into the espresso, just for a second or two, to prevent sogginess. Arrange a single layer in your serving dish. Spread half of your creamy mascarpone mixture over the ladyfingers. Repeat this process, creating a second layer, and finish with the remaining cream on top, smoothing it out. Patience is key for perfect tiramisu. Once assembled, cover your dish tightly with plastic wrap and refrigerate it for a minimum of 4 to 6 hours. For the absolute best flavor and texture, I recommend chilling it overnight. Just before serving, generously dust the top with unsweetened cocoa powder. This final touch adds a beautiful contrast and a hint of bitterness that perfectly balances the sweet, creamy layers. Enjoy your authentic Italian dessert.
Thanks for watching, stay juicy, and subscribe.